She couldn't walk, and now she runs like a little girl. Put Ginger on your knees. Hello, nice to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. She used to be unable to walk because her legs were so heavy and painful that even small steps made her sweat. Modern methods like pills or massages were ineffective. But miraculously, an old folk remedy helped her recover quickly. The pain disappeared, her joints became flexible again, and now she can walk comfortably, even jog lightly. All thanks to one simple ingredient. Do you want to know what it is? Let's find out. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Method 1. Rub your knees with ginger. The results will surprise you. Measure 50 grams of ginger. Peel the ginger. Finely chop the ginger. Where are you watching me from? Write it in the comments. I'm really interested. Chop the garlic. Put the garlic in a jar. Half an onion. Haven't subscribed to my channel yet? Subscribe right now. Onions contain quercetin, a natural compound that helps reduce joint pain. Put all the ingredients into the jar and close the lid. Place the jar in a pot, putting a towel at the bottom of the pot. Pour water into the pot until it covers the towel. Add olive oil over the ingredients. Simmer for 10 minutes. Strain the oil through a sieve. Apply this product to joints affected by arthritis or degeneration to reduce inflammation and relieve pain. Ginger improves blood circulation and reduces joint stiffness. Olive oil extracts and preserves the healing compounds for joint health. Garlic is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. The product can also be rubbed on the feet. This improves blood circulation, reduces swelling, warms the feet, and helps eliminate toxins faster through the active points on the soles. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. The cabbage leaves should be as big as your knee or larger. Cabbage leaves are placed on the knee to reduce heat, swelling, and improve the condition. All thanks to a single simple ingredient. Generations have trusted this simple method, and now we prepare a therapeutic oil to increase its effectiveness. A small piece of ginger. Slice ginger into thick slices. This little ginger root has been used for centuries and is now the main ingredient in our knee oil. It helps warm the joints, reduce stiffness and swelling in the knees. Ginger also stimulates blood circulation, making the legs lighter and more flexible. Have you tried ginger for joint health? Dear friends, it is great to see you again. Thank you for your support. It means a lot to me and is a real joy. Take a glass jar and add our first ingredient, fresh ginger. 1 small whole garlic bulb. Garlic has long been known for its anti-inflammatory properties. It is particularly helpful for knee pain and stiffness, while also improving blood circulation and providing greater flexibility and comfort to the joints. Cut the garlic into thin slices. Dear friends, always test the oil before using it. Just apply a drop on the inside of your elbow and wait for about 15 minutes. If your skin is normal and unchanged, the oil is suitable for you. Onion, 1 bulb. Onions are rich in anthocyanins and sulfur compounds. They reduce inflammation, reduce swelling, and improve blood circulation. This makes the joint more flexible and movements easier. Cloves, 1 teaspoon. Cloves relieve pain and reduce swelling. Black pepper, 1 teaspoon. Pepper warms the body and stimulates blood circulation. Now we pour olive oil over everything. This golden oil base enhances the healing properties of ginger, garlic, onion, pepper, and brings cloves directly to the knees. Olive oil also cares for the skin, nourishing, softening, and promoting healthy skin. Dear friends, please subscribe to our channel to update simple and natural recipes for health and beauty. Then take a pot, put a cloth at the bottom, and put our glass jar in. We pour water into the pot. This will be a gentle warm water bath for the oil. Simmer for 40 minutes. Please share in the comments, what natural remedies do you and your family use most often? I'd love to hear your ideas. And don't forget, you can find more helpful videos on my channel. Come visit whenever you want. Now strain the oil and pour it into a clean glass jar. This means it can be kept in the refrigerator for a long time. Cabbage is more than just food on the dinner table. I take a cabbage leaf and use a rolling pin to flatten it. Rub some oil on your knee and place a cabbage leaf on top. And carefully secure with plastic wrap. And carefully secure with plastic wrap. This simple remedy acts as a natural anti-inflammatory and gently relieves pain. Take a cabbage leaf. and put 2 to 3 teaspoons of honey on it. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Place the leaves on the painful knee. Then wrap with plastic wrap or tape. Leave on for 1 to 2 hours or even overnight for more pain relief. After a period of implementation, you will see surprising results. Stay healthy! If you find it useful, don't forget to leave a comment and share it with your friends. Your share can help many people. Please subscribe to the channel to support me. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.